She's chewy, she's thick, she's spicy. Let's make those potato noodles you've probably seen on TikTok.
Some are green, some are black, some are mushy. I found a bag of potatoes that I got from Costco a month ago. After we separate the bad and good potatoes, we can utilize the bad ones in a productive way.
Similar to 土豆粉, a type of noodles from China. First, grab yourself some potatoes.
This is a and you can do so many different things with it.
Just peel them, chop them, and boil for around 10 minutes.
Peel, chop, boil them for 10 minutes.
Then you're gonna wanna mash those babies up until smooth before adding your potato starch.
Mash those potatoes up with my baby fork, and then add 200 grams of cornstarch.
Then add a little water from the Mississippi River and mix until it becomes a dough.
I was unwell for days after we used river water to make chow mein last time, so I'm just gonna use tap water.
Cut into 9 pieces and then roll those babies out, or shape them however you want. You choose your own destiny.
Break the dough into even parts and then choose my own destiny. I didn't expect the dough to be this hard to work with. It appears that my destiny repeatedly led me to failure. After about 25 minutes of crushing it and rolling it back up, we're finally done. I find this process really tedious.
I find you tedious.
Then add them into a pot of boiling water and cook for around 5 to 7 minutes. Then you want to add all these yummy ingredients, not forgetting that hot oil.
The yummy ingredients include 2 cloves of garlic, some chili powder, which I substituted with paprika, some black vinegar, and unfortunately I ran out of soy sauce, so I'm just gonna use this tare I made in the ramen video, which is gonna be posted on my YouTube channel this weekend. It was quite a journey. White sesame seed, which I substituted with black sesame seed, and oyster sauce, which I substituted with MSG.
And give it a mix and enjoy.
Now we take the noodles out of the bowl, give it a quick mix, and let's see if we enjoy them.
Consuming all the air inside my lungs, ripping all the skin from off my bones.
I remember one afternoon when I was a kid, I got really bored and tasted some Play-Doh, and this kind of tastes like that. The texture is really squishy and it doesn't really have the potato flavor. The only thing that's keeping it down for me is the sauce. It's pretty fire. Maybe I should use potato starch next time instead of cornstarch. Alright, thank you.